Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kaylee and I do a lot of cleaning videos and decorating videos, but today is a living room makeover and I'm so excited. We have 4 giant boxes back here from a living and they decided to sponsor today's video, which I'm so grateful for. So Guy and I picked out a couch and a new recliner. So yeah, I'm gonna be quiet now and get started, and thank you for watching today's video. We are 9 months pregnant. All right, so this is what the living room is looking like right now. We have all the boxes, my yoga ball, we got a couple of toys I need to put away. So I'm gonna move all the furniture probably into the office over there. Miss Freedom is lounging, she's not gonna like it. So I'm gonna set up the camera and we'll start moving things out.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at
am obsessed with this. It is so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. And like the back, it's gonna match the couch too. It's a gray color and it's also really soft. So on the side here, we have a few buttons and a couple charging ports. I was able to, oh gosh, Freedom is out there barking at the, who knows what. She's out there going crazy. She does the same routine every single time. She like runs, barks, goes around the bench. She usually goes to the bathroom, pees, and then runs again, and like she goes directly to the gate. It's so funny. Okay, back to the chair. So we do have plug-ins right here, so the couch will also be able to plug in right there, which is good. And I'll do some like wire management after everything is done. But I love the chair. It looks so freaking cool. This whole area is just pure chaos. Also need to put this up, but I love it. It looks so nice. I did put it up against the wall, but just for a second. Very, very nice. And I love their tags.
Cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. But I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me. About our love, she gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. But I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me. Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying
Okay, so I am absolutely obsessed with everything. It looks so good in here. So I'm going to sweep and mop one last time, put the rug down, vacuum that, and then just put, you know, the decorations and blankets and stuff back. The stitching is one of my favorite parts. It is so nice.
I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Oh, everything makes total sense.
Thank you again to A Living for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the information down below at the very top of my description box. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see y'all in the next video.